Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name is Ben. In this video, we're going to make some dinner using the Meta Quest 3. Okay, so I'm not expecting the Meta Quest 3 to make dinner for me. What I actually meant is I'm going to make dinner while wearing the Meta Quest 3. So I'm going to go downstairs to the kitchen. I'm going to make me and Oliver some lunch. So I'm going to make us some cheese and ham toasties. And while I'm doing that, I might watch a little bit of YouTube floating in the kitchen. So let's head downstairs, get there set up, and I'll make some lunch. Okay, we're down in the kitchen. Let me show you the setup we've got going on, just kind of the area, just so I can show you. We've got the worktop, bread out, toasting machine out. I've got a camera over there I'll record myself on as well, just to show you that I wear the headset. And I've got the headset here ready to go. So get things set up and we'll make some lunch in VR. Okay, so recording on the camera, recording on the headset. You can see I'm in the kitchen area here. So just to show you a couple of things, I know people moan about the pass-through and question people's judgment. So just to show you the settings, I've got it on landscape, 1920 by 1080p. I've got it on 30 frames per second, so it's low 30 and the frames per second, and the bit rate down at the lowest possible setting. So it's not even on a high bit rate. So I'm going to keep it on the lower one, and I'll probably do another one at some point and do it on the higher one. So first of all, I'm going to get YouTube up and running on here, so I can watch a little bit of YouTube while I'm making dinner. Create a new boundary. What we need to do is go into YouTube. I need to do it into the pop-out watching panel, so I can still watch it in Passthrough. I'll do panel. So I'll move my panel over here. Put YouTube on. Oh, watching panel. And you can still use Passthrough then as well. So I've got a recent video out on IQ one, but I won't watch mine. I'll just put on some random YouTube. I'll put on Sky Sports. In fact, know what? I'm going to put on the United Stand, because I watch the United Stand, so I'll play that over there. Matt Goldbridge floating over there in the corner. Got the audio on. What I'll probably do is I'll pause and record the video every 4 or 5 minutes, just because it doesn't fill up on my camera. So I'm just going to pause the recording now, and then we're making dinner. But that's everything prepped. You can see that I can walk around. My YouTube videos over there, and all my stuff's there. So that's passed through. So let's crack on and see what it's like making dinner. Dinner's ready, mate. Oliver, you want a can of that? Is that alright, yeah? I basically just made dinner. I'm recording right now. Say hello. I'm recording now. I made dinner with it in VR. And I've got YouTube playing over there. 60 followers. Nice, mate. Well done. Okay, dinner made. Oliver's here eating his dinner with me. So I didn't want to eat with the headset on, but you probably saw there that obviously I could do a full pass-through, looking really good. Obviously it's not like really clear, but it's a little bit grainy. When you like look at the light in the windows, it goes a little bit more grainy. But really usable. I could obviously watch YouTube. Could use any app I wanted to, but I watch YouTube. Really good. So let me know in the comments section what you think of it. Would you use it? Is it good enough? Etc. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.